If you want to merge clips in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to combine multiple clips into one compound clip, so your timeline stays clean and your editing workflow gets a lot easier. This is super useful if you want to organize your project, group together sections, or make it easier to move multiple clips as one single unit. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is import your media. In CapCut, look for the import button in the top left media panel and click it to load the clips or assets you want to use. Once your media is imported, you'll see it available in your project library, ready to be added to the timeline. Next, drag and drop your video clips onto the timeline tracks in the order you want them to appear. Try to place them in chronological sequence so your final merged clip flows naturally from start to finish. You can stack them carefully, line them up, and make sure there are no gaps unless you want pauses between scenes. After your clips are arranged properly, it's time to select the clips you want to combine. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor across the clips on the timeline to highlight them all at once. If you prefer, you can also hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac and click each clip individually to select only the ones you want. Make sure the correct clips are highlighted before moving on, because whatever you select will be included in the merge. Now that your clips are selected, right-click on the highlighted group. From the menu that appears, choose Create Compound Clip. This is the option that merges the selected assets together into one combined clip. CapCut will then bundle those clips into a single compound clip, which makes your timeline much easier to manage. Instead of dealing with multiple separate clips, you can now move, trim, and organize them as one unit. This is especially helpful if you're editing a longer project and want to keep your timeline neat and efficient. If you ever need to make changes later, you can still open the compound clip and edit the individual clips inside it, so you're not losing flexibility, you're just making your workflow more organized. And that's how you merge clips in CapCut. It's quick, simple, and one of the best ways to clean up your editing process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.